it's summer or any other season, you need to stay hydrated. Water can help flush out toxins, boost metabolism, aid weight loss, improve digestion, keep your skin healthy and whatnot. Wouldn't it be amazing if you could enrich water with nutrients and make it visually more alluring? Today's video will discuss infused water recipe to keep you hydrated. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Number 1. Refreshing mint infused water. Ingredients: 10 mint leaves, 1 liter water. How to prepare? You can roughly chop the mint leaves or just toss them into a jar filled with 1 liter of water. Wait for 7 minutes for the water to taste minty fresh. Benefits: mint leaves have a cooling effect. They aid proper digestion and have anti-tumor, antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. Steep time 7 minutes. Number 2. Apple cinnamon infused water. Ingredients: 1/4 red apple, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 1 liter of water. How to prepare? Steep the cinnamon in a 1 liter jar of water overnight. Thinly slice the apple, quarter and add to the jar in the morning. Let it steep for 20 minutes for the apple to release its flavor into the water. Benefits: apples are rich in phytonutrients that help to lower bad cholesterol levels and cardiovascular disease and asthma. Cinnamon aids weight loss and antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It also lowers cholesterol and reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Steep time overnight. Number 3. Orange ginger infused water. Ingredients: half orange, 1 inch ginger root, 1 liter water. How to prepare? Crush the ginger root using a mortar and pestle. Cut the orange into medium slices with the peel on. Add the crushed ginger and orange slice to a 1 liter jar of water. Let it steep in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Benefits: oranges are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C that prevents DNA damage and protect the heart. Ginger helps to reduce inflammation and muscle pain, prevents cardiovascular diseases and diabetes, and promotes gastrointestinal health. Have you tried this method to keep you hydrated? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.